I love going to Redbird School, actually. It's one of my favorite schools I've ever been to, because I've been to 2 different schools. What I love about Redbird is it teaches you about Christ, because my family goes to church, and I just love Jesus so much, so that's why I just love to come here. And we go to this thing called chapel, which is sort of like a church service. Yeah, I've made a lot of friends. I have, like, a lot of, like, kindergartner, like, little kid friends, and I have a lot of older kid friends. So yeah, I have a lot of friends actually. So my nana came to Redbird, my mom came to Redbird, and my aunt came to Redbird. And the reason I wanted to come to Redbird is to make new friends, and to kind of follow in my family's footsteps.
My mom works here. My papa used to work here for like a long time. My papa is doll size more.
Redbird is like a family that I found a lot of friends and a lot of peoples. There are more than friends too, and both in sport aspects and then school aspects. I get a lot of benefits from it, and it's my second home. Yeah, I got different friends from different countries like Congo and here from America, and I'm happy that I met them because I didn't imagine having friends from another country before. They just one place, Ethiopia, where I'm from, and even if we have different language, cultures, and different stuff, we still link up together and understand each other and spend time together, have fun together. So I like it, and it's so fun. In life, there are ups and downs, and the ups and downs we don't pass them with just by education, just by our strengths. The Redbird teaches us we can pass all of them in our spiritual life with the help of God too. So a Redbird is shaping us in God's way, as well as having those knowledge in our mind.